there are lakhs and lakhs of devotees who are reaching the Prayagraj Sangam Tat, or the banks of river Ganga, Yamuna and the Saraswati, to take a holy dip on Mauni Amavasya, which is the 29th of January, and Basant Panchami, which is on the 2nd of February. They're reaching here in lakhs. The administration expects that there would be at least 10 crore. This is the biggest congregation of humankind in the world. That 10 crore devotees will be here on these banks all along the Sangam Tat to take a dip in the Ganga, Yamuna and the Saraswati. But there is a fierce political battle that's been kicked off by Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge, where he said taking a dip in Ganga will not end poverty. He said he doesn't want to hurt Sanatan sentiments. But then he went on to attack Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the Union Home Minister Amit Shah, who incidentally took a dip at the Sangam earlier today, saying that taking many dips will also not wash away their sins. The BJP has hit right back, not just accusing the Congress, including Sonia and Rahul Gandhi, of being anti-Sanatan, anti-Hindu, but also daring them to say anything close to this about any other religion in this country, asking, is it kosher, is it acceptable to hurt the feelings of Sanatan Dharma followers? Our political bureau brings you our top story.
Mahakumbh, the great festival of faith and divinity in Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh. Union Home Minister Amit Shah took the sacred dip at the Triveni Sangam on Monday. Along with UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, Yog Guru Baba Ramdev and many seers, the Home Minister stepped into the holy waters. After the sacred dip, Amit Shah offered prayers and performed a Maha-Aarti at the Mahakumbh along with his family. The Shah family sought blessings from the Akhada saints. The saints also blessed the Home Minister's grandson. Congress Chief Mallikarjun Kharge targeted the Home Minister's holy dip.
मोदी जी और शाह मिलके इतना पाप किए हैं, वो 7 जन्म क्या 100 जन्म में भी स्वर्ग में नहीं जा सकते। कभी नहीं इनको मिलेगा, लोगों के शाप से नरकी मिलेगा।
The BJP accused the Congress of anti-Sanatan remarks.
मैं आज चैलेंज करता हूं कि मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे जी और कांग्रेस पार्टी, राहुल गांधी और सोनिया जी किसी और धर्म की आस्था के विषय में ऐसा कह सकते हैं? क्या वो कह सकते हैं कि इफ्तार पार्टी में जाने से गरीबी दूर हो जाती है या लोगों को नौकरी मिल जाती है? किसी और धर्म के आस्था को लेकर वो खिलवाड़ करने की सोच भी नहीं सकते हैं और ऐसी बयानबाजी कर भी नहीं सकते।
The outrage forced Kharge to apologize.
ये मोदी के जो झूठे वायदे जो बोलते हैं उसमें मत जाओ। अरे भाई, गंगा में डुबकी लेने से गरीबी दूर होती क्या? आपको खाना मिलता पेट को। मैं किसी की आस्था के ऊपर ठोस नहीं लगाना चाहता हूं। अगर किसी को दुख हुआ तो मैं माफी चाहता हूं।
The UP Chief Minister and Samajwadi Party Chief Akhilesh Yadav have already taken the holy dip at the Mahakumbh. Akhilesh Yadav, who visited on Sunday, slammed the Yogi government's arrangements at the Mahakumbh Mela.
देखिए, विपक्ष की जिम्मेदारी ये है कि जहां कमी है वो सरकार तक पहुंचे। और आप लोग बेहतर समझते होंगे, जिस समय वो जानकारी दी गई थी उसके बाद काम बहुत तेजी से हुआ।
The BJP slammed Akhilesh Yadav back for taking a dip after his earlier silence on the event.
लगातार पिछले एक महीने से अखिलेश यादव जी कुंभ को लेकर के अनर्गल मिथ्या प्रलाप कर रहे थे। रोज कुंभ को अपमानित करने का प्रयास करते थे, रोज कोई न कोई कुंभ बुलेटिन जारी करते थे। आज अपनी आंखों से सब व्यवस्थाएं देखी हैं तो उम्मीद करते हैं कि कुंभ को लेकर के अब झूठ बोलना बंद करेंगे, कुंभ को लेकर के लोगों को डराना बंद करेंगे और कुंभ की व्यवस्थाओं की तारीफ में शायद आज कुछ शब्द लिखेंगे।
The Mahakumbh has attracted over 11 crore devotees so far. The UP government is expecting nearly 45 crore pilgrims to attend the Kumbh Mela. With Samarth Srivastav in Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh, Bureau Report, India Today.